So we wanted to show you this 18th century gilded shelf. And it has had a new frame constructed inside of it. And you can see here, I'm going to tilt it forward, that it has a brand new structural frame so that we can hang it on the wall. And here are the supports that we're going to use to hang it on the wall. They slide in the back. And all of this, for the reason is that we're going to put a 100-pound piece of marble on top. So the marble is now currently being cut, and you can see that we have a lot of casting and repair to do. We think that this piece is 1795, 1805. A very, very nice antique shelf. So we're going to be recasting some of the parts that are missing, and then we're going to do some gold highlights. We don't want to gild the whole thing like we've done other pieces. We want to see some of the age, because it's telling the story of the age. So we want to get the casting right, and we want to do some highlights and heavy cleaning so that we can show some of the reflectivity. So now we've got the frame built. The next step is to build the casting, to recast all the relief work. And then the third stage will be making a sample for the customer to come to approve that we've not made it look too new. So we're excited about her coming to see once we've got that picture in our minds of how the gold highlights make it look like something that really has some age. And then we have a phenomenal piece of marble to go on at the end. So watch for that. Thanks.